Alright, if you guys want to see how I got this perfect for fall hair color, then just keep watching. So hopping right in, I'm just taking this wig and I'm bleaching it. I've never bleached hair before, and y'all gonna see how I fucked up so badly. I've done the video on this wig. I will either link it down below or put a little info card on it, but it's just like it was the Amazon wig that I did a video on a few months ago. So I'm just bleaching the hair. Y'all see how I'm being like so messy with it, and I'm doing it in huge chunks, and I'm not really like opening the chunks up to make sure the bleach got all the way through. And you did it right from the start. Alright, so here's mistake number one. Can y'all see how powdery the wig looks? And I think it's because, well, I know it's because I had a limited amount of developer, and I was trying to spread it as far as it possibly could go. And there's just too little liquid to powder. So the wig looks super powdery, so that was definitely mistake number one. Right now I'm just going through and like getting any spots that I may have missed, which honestly were a lot. Missing someone. And look, I got bleach all over the frontal. Here's mistake number two. I only let this sit for 25 minutes, which is just not enough time with only 20 volume developer. It wouldn't have been enough time, period. So here I am rinsing the wig off after 20 minutes. Yeah, I can see how it really didn't lift that much. Like, at all. It's just brown now. It definitely could have lifted for longer. So I definitely should have used a higher volume developer, and I definitely should have let it sit for longer. So now I'm just showing you guys, like I said, it's brown. It's like a honey brown, which is a cute color, but it's not what we're going for. So I did the watercolor method to dye this hair. And here's mistake number three. So I'm using a bottle of cinnamon from Adore, and then I also use French cognac. And mistake number three is that I shouldn't have used cinnamon at all, and I definitely should have only used half a bottle. I think I started with a full bottle of the French cognac, and then I was only supposed to do half a bottle of the cinnamon, but I was like, let me just put the whole thing in. Let me just see. I mean, why not? It's just gonna sit here because I'm never gonna use it. So I put a whole bottle of cinnamon in, and that was mistake number three. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. So I sprayed the lace with the Got2b so it didn't stain it, even though, again, I already fucked it up with the bleach. And then I just dunked the hair in using the watercolor method. Dunked it in a lot so it could make sure that all the strands of hair, if you just throw it in, it's not going to get everything. And I think I let that sit for like 15 minutes, I'm not sure. See, I'm adding the other half of the cinnamon. Why did you do that? Why? Such a dummy. The color was probably gonna come out wrong anyway, but. So this is the color that I came out to. You can see it's like mostly brown, but it kind of just has like a tint of that Auburn orange that I was going for. And there's nothing wrong with this color, but it wasn't what I wanted. So I bleached the hair again. And this is what it looked like, fucking pink and brown. And then I just did the watercolor method with just an entire bottle of French cognac by itself. And this is the color that I got, which is finally the color that I wanted. This hair held up pretty well. There's no shedding or tangling really, which is what you would expect from a wig that's been bleached and dyed twice. But yeah, it held up pretty well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye guys.